us start doing questions. So we'll do problem solving. Chapter remains same, circles. Let me write down. Prove that in two concentric circles, the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is bisected at the point of contact. This is the question. So we need to prove it. So tell me, who will take the initiative? Who will tell me what to do?
सर can I?
हाँ बताओ.
सर so firstly हम डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे दो concentric circles का.
Concentric circle क्या होते हैं? भव्यम आप बताएं.
सर दो ऐसे सर्कल जो लाइक कनेक्टेड हो, लाइक एक सर्कल है दूसरे सर्कल का पार्ट, लाइक वो जुड़े हो.
कैसे? हाउ?
मतलब एक सर्कल के अंदर एक दूसरा सर्कल.
The circles with the same center, that is missing. Okay? दो सर्कल्स को कैसे जोड़ सकते हैं? ऐसे भी जोड़ सकते हैं, ये ले जुड़ गए, but they don't have the same center. Okay? One circle can be like this, other one circle can be like this, but they don't have the same center. Concentric. The word concentric means the circles having the same centers. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So let's have one common center and draw two circles like this. The question says that there is a tangent and I make this tangent something like this, and also question clearly says the tangent touches the smaller circle. Let's say it touches the smaller circle at point P and the center is O, so obviously we join
O and P.
Now we are asked which touches the small circle is bisected at the point of contact. That means to prove point of contact is P. So to prove absolutely AP is equal to PB, then only we'll say that P is the bisector of AB, right? Or bisecting point of the AB. Now let us say we can do it either way. Let us join again AO and OB.
सर आप इसके थ्योरम 1 यूज
कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है. You can have so many ways to do it. I will say I will join AO and OB and I will choose two triangle AOP and triangle BOP. So I will say AO equal to OB, which is nothing but radius, right?
Yes, sir.
And then I will say OP equal to OP because this is common. and then I would say angle OPA equal to angle OPB. Also it is equal to 90 degree. Yes. So this is 90 degree. और ये हमने already theorem 1 में पढ़ा है.
Yes,
So
sir.
what we can say about it? Triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP. Therefore, AP equal to PB. Yes?
Yes.
So, P is bisector of AB. Are we all clear about this? So that is how we can conclude this. Let us do yet another question. Two tangents TP and TQ TQ are drawn to a circle with center O. From an external point T. From an external point T, prove angle PTQ is twice angle OPQ. This question is asked several times in your examination. So let us try to understand how to draw and understand the question. So obviously first you need to have your circle with the center O, and then there is an external point. Let's say this is T, and from this T a line TP, which is a tangent touching at P on the circle, and then also Q, TQ are drawn, and then we can possibly join PO as well as PQ. Let's try now to write down first to prove. What is there to prove? Angle PTQ is twice angle OPQ. Clear? Yes or no? So we can simply write here angle PTQ is twice angle OPQ. अपन क्या करते हैं, एंगल PTQ को कुछ मान लेते हैं, लेट्स से थीटा. ओके, नाउ जो थ्योरम है आपकी 10.2, इससे हमें क्या पता लगा था? TP is equal to TQ. करेक्ट? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
सो TPQ क्या है? Therefore,
Isosceles triangle.
TPQ is an
Isosceles triangle.
yes, an isosceles triangle. All right. So that is one such conclusion, which simply means that angle TPQ equal to angle TQP. True? Yes or no?
Yes,
Which
sir.
is nothing but we can say this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, now हमने क्या माना था, PTQ as theta, yes or no? So what
Yes,
we
sir.
can say, let us say that जो आपका angle TPQ plus angle TQP plus theta is 180, or we can say twice angle TPQ is 180 minus theta, or angle TPQ is 1 upon 2 180 minus theta. Is this correct statement? Also we can say 90 minus theta by 2. Okay. So TPQ is 90 minus theta by 2. But what is angle OPQ? It would be, the total angle OPQ is 90. So angle OPQ minus angle TPQ. जिसको समझ में ना है पूछ लेना. Now OPQ was originally, what was the angle OPQ? We don't know, but we need to find out. So OPQ is
OPT minus
हाँ,
TPQ.
यहाँ पे तुम्हारा ये OPT होना चाहिए. ओके, OPT माइनस TPQ. ओके, एंड OPT कितना है, 90 डिग्री minus 90 minus theta by 2, which is nothing but 90 minus 90 plus theta by 2. Okay,
Yes.
so 90 you can cancel, it will be theta by 2. So angle OPQ is theta by 2, and theta was what, PTQ. So you can say half of angle PTQ. यही प्रूव करना था.
सर फिर उधर 2 ले जा सकते तो फिर पूरी स्टेटमेंट वैसी की वैसी प्रूव हो जाएगी.
हाँ, आप ऐसा लिख सकते हो, PTQ
Equals
is
to
twice of
times OPQ.
OPQ. Okay, let us make this as a statement. Okay, no issue. Okay.
Sir, can you scroll up once a bit?
Okay, let's do it that way. How much you want? Like this?
थोड़ा नीचे.
Okay. Is that okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. We'll do just now.
Okay, sir, you can scroll down.
Okay. Now okay?
Yes.